Hello and welcome to CMS Forex News. I'm your market analyst, Nick Nassad. Today is Wednesday, December 31st, 2008. The number of Americans filing first-time claims for unemployment benefits fell sharply last week, skewed by the shortened Christmas work week. Claims dropped by 94,000 to 492,000, which was the lowest level in 2 months. However, the number of total people collecting unemployment rose to the highest level since 1982. Therefore, though the headline figure seems great, it's fool's gold. The pace of firings has stepped up in the fourth quarter, and it's harder for those that have been laid off to find new jobs. With many retailers forced to close their doors following one of the worst shopping seasons in decades, and many more stores on the brink of bankruptcy and shutdown, the underlying labor market remains terrible. After retracing part of the fall on Monday in yesterday's session, today saw the euro-dollar pair slide sharply overnight, culminating in an almost 300 pip move that found support at 1.3850. The euro fell across the board, as we will highlight, as traders squared their positions on the last day of trading in 2008. The euro-yen, in a rather similar move to the euro-dollar, slid about 225 pips, falling to levels seen last week. The pair then recovered about 130 pips of that fall and traded choppy in the New York session. The euro also gave up its recent gains against the pound. After retesting its new all-time high yesterday, the pair took a big 300 pip slide overnight to the 0.95 area. That was the old level of resistance from last week, which has now turned to support. From the 0.95 area, the pair rose back 150 pips to test an upward sloping trend line, which sent the pair back down in whippy action in New York trading. The pound-dollar pair captured the sharp back and forth moves as well. The dollar was climbing overnight, hit a high near 1.47, and then plummeted down to set a new 6.5-year low at 1.4350. The pair then erased those losses to reclaim the 1.46 area. The sharp moves back and forth are evident of thin liquidity conditions, as many of the big players are not in the market today. In a breakout from less volatile range trading seen recently, the Aussie yen pair surged today in the thin trading. The pair retested the resistance turned support level at the 62 level and skyrocketed 200 pips in New York trading. Oil prices were higher during the New York session, climbing above $40 a barrel, which helped boost commodity currencies like the Australian, New Zealand, and Canadian dollars. The Forex market will be closed for New Year's Day, but we come back on Friday with some important releases, mainly manufacturing data from Australia, Europe, the UK, and the US for the December period. From the UK, we also get data on housing prices and mortgage approvals. And that wraps up our final broadcast for this year. We will be off tomorrow, but we'll return on Friday. Thank you for joining us here at CMSFX.com, and we wish all of our viewers and fans a happy and healthy new year.